Hi everybody, this is the website boy from the websiteboy.com, and today I'm going to show you how to add a link to your sidebar, how to add a link to your content page, how to add a link anywhere you want on WordPress. First thing that we got to do, well, first thing you got to do is subscribe. That way you can always get an update from every video that I make, which I make a lot of videos every single day, every week, and you never know what you can learn today. So make sure you subscribe. The subscribe button should be in the bottom of this video, and I'm also on Twitter, so the website boy on Twitter. Anyways, let's go to it. I have a test site right here that I'm going to use to add a link. Right now, this test site look like this. Just a simple, blank, simple, minimalistic theme, and I want to add a link somewhere. Okay. Now, what I got here on the right side is a RSS that I added to this from Mr. Copy Blogger. I'm gonna take that off and I'm gonna show you how to add links to it. If I go here, I gotta take this off. Um, and if I drag it all the way down, I make it inactive. All right. That means I don't want to delete it 100%. I just want to make it inactive. So I don't know if you learned something new there, but that's something that a lot of people don't know about for some reason. They're too busy. Now, what we want to do is add a link to Sidebar. Very simple. We're going to write this code here. It's not much. It's just an A tag. You see it, right? And then you put this less than, and then this little forward slash, and then another A, and then you close it again. All right? And the greater than sign. So once you have this, inside this A here and this greater than sign, you write something called href with a little equal sign, two quotes there, and you're gonna write the link that you want this link to go to. So in this case, we want it to go to Google, so we write the Google URL in here. Okay, http colon forward slash Google forward slash Google, whatever. Once you have that there, in between this A tag, because this is an A tag right here, an A tag, and this is the closing um, anchor tag. I'm sorry, A tag. Or anyways, I make so many videos sometimes that I just go crazy. You write whatever you want people to see in this link right here. Okay, if you don't know how to write HTML, don't worry. Again, you write this like this, right? Make sure you put the A in between those two, and you put a forward slash on the second one just to close it. And then make sure that you write this href. This is the address right here. If you want, I'm gonna put the link right in the video, so you know. And now once you hit save and you go back to the page here and you refresh it, you see the link right here, and you click on it, and it takes you to your best friend, or my best friend Google, whatever. Okay, you can put say anything else here. If you change the name here, put Google. Oops, Google is gonna kill me if he sees that. Save it, refresh it, and now it says Google. So that's how you add a link to your sidebar there. Of course, your sidebar might look different. Mine is plain because I wanted it like that. But I can also style it in many different ways. If I click on inspect element on Google Chrome, I can style my sidebar, and I can show you how to do that right now. Let me see if I can get to it before you get tired and change the video. So I noticed that the name of my element right here is secondary, right? So I click on this little thing here, and this is the sidebar. This is the whole sidebar thing, right? So I want to actually change it. I actually want to. This is where CSS comes in handy. If you know CSS, then you can do whatever you want with it. Put some padding into it. Actually, I don't want that much padding. Uh, I might want to change the way that border looks, radius, and make it more like that. And maybe I want to change the background of it and change it to a different color. I don't like that color. What about this color here? That color, right? Crazy, isn't it? Right? So that's one way of doing that. And then you can put whatever you want in there. That sidebar will grow as if you keep putting links in there, it will keep getting bigger and bigger and bigger. You can also change the links on this sidebar to for a different color, right? Color, I don't know. I always write that, and then what I do is I'll change it here. Make it red. We can even go further on this, guys. I mean, there's so many things we can do with CSS. You gotta learn CSS if you want to, and we can actually do great things with CSS. Anyways, look at this, right? There's a lot of things you can do with CSS. But anyways, you get an idea how to add a link to your sidebar. All you have to do is get a text widget, put this link in there, which is you can find this link anywhere. Okay, I'm gonna put it right below the video, but you can find it anywhere. That's how you add it to your sidebar. Now you can add this link to your content page. I'll show you right now. Actually, you don't even have to write the link to the content page. You can just write, click here, and you can just highlight it and click on this link right here, insert, and then you write the URL here, .com, and you can even write the title, Google, and then you can even put this option here, open in a new tab, add link. Let's just finish the link right here, click whatever, publish it. Of course, if I go and view this post, it's gonna be empty because I don't know what I did here, but it doesn't show anything there. It doesn't. Let me see what I did because there we go, enter a title, and then we click update. Now it should work. If I go to that post, I should see something. There we go. And now, as you can see, this is the title and this is the link right here. Click on it, it would take me to Google. So those are two ways of doing it. You can do it to the content, and you can do it in the sidebar in appearance, widgets, and you get a text widget and you write your HTML right here. Or another way of doing it is that you have your page, go to edit posts, right? When you make the link here, I'll show you right now. For example, you make a link says visit Google, click here, right? We want to break this link because right now, okay. So you make this link here, you click on this, and you write your URL here, right? Open a new tab, whatever, and add link. What you can do is go to the text side of this box here, click on it, copy this link, and then you can go back to appearance. I usually right click on it, so I open a new window to the widget side, and you can actually take this off and paste that coding here, save it, go back to your page, refresh it, and now you see the same link here. So that's another way of doing it without writing that HTML yourself. Just go to the post and write it there and just copy it here. So that's another way. Thank you guys for watching. Again, I'm the website boy. Subscribe to my channel, like me, go on Twitter. I'm always there too. I just opened an account there, so I'm testing things out. And again, I help kids from all over the world. So I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.